Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder. It causes movement problems, and these problems worsen over time. People with Parkinson's experience tremors. They may have stiff muscles and their movements become slow. Balance issues are also common. The disease affects many aspects of life. Parkinson's is a progressive disease, which means it gets worse over time. There is no cure for Parkinson's yet, but treatments are available. These treatments help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Scientists are working hard to understand Parkinson's. They are searching for a cure, and research is ongoing. It focuses on the causes and mechanisms of the disease. This research is crucial as it offers hope for the future. Parkinson's affects millions worldwide and is a complex disease. Understanding its symptoms is the first step. This knowledge raises awareness and encourages early diagnosis and treatment. Parkinson's disease is often linked to genetics. Genes are passed down from parents to children, and sometimes these genes carry mutations. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence, and these changes can increase the risk of developing Parkinson's. The PD generation study is a major research effort focusing on the genetics of Parkinson's. The study involves genetic testing and also provides counseling to participants. This study has revealed crucial information. It has identified specific genes associated with Parkinson's. The findings of the PD generation study are significant. They confirm the role of genetics in Parkinson's and highlight the complexity of the disease. Not everyone with these gene mutations develops Parkinson's, which suggests that other factors are also involved. Genetic testing for Parkinson's is becoming more common. It helps individuals understand their risk and also guides treatment decisions. However, genetic testing has limitations. It cannot predict with certainty who will develop the disease. Genetic research is crucial for understanding Parkinson's. However, diversity is essential in these studies. People from different backgrounds have different genetic makeups. Including diverse populations in research is vital, as it provides a more complete picture of the disease. Historically, genetic studies have often lacked diversity, and this has limited the applicability of findings. The PD generation study emphasizes the importance of diversity. It includes participants from various ethnicities and races. This inclusive approach is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that genetic findings are relevant to all populations. Secondly, it helps identify genetic variations specific to certain groups. This knowledge can lead to tailored treatments. Lastly, it promotes health equity by addressing disparities in research. Diversity in genetic research is not just about representation. It is about scientific accuracy and fairness. It is about ensuring that everyone benefits from research advances. While genetics play a role, environmental factors also contribute to Parkinson's. These factors can interact with genes, and this interaction can increase the risk of developing the disease. Identifying these environmental triggers is crucial, as it can help prevent Parkinson's. Exposure to certain toxins is linked to an increased risk of Parkinson's. Pesticides are a significant concern. These chemicals are used in agriculture, and they can damage brain cells involved in movement control. Long-term exposure to pesticides is particularly harmful. Other environmental toxins linked to Parkinson's include heavy metals and industrial solvents. These substances can enter the body through inhalation, ingestion, or skin contact. They can accumulate over time and damage the nervous system. Protecting oneself from environmental toxins is crucial. This includes reducing exposure to pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Using protective gear and following safety guidelines can minimize risks. Section 5. The aging brain and Parkinson's. Age is a significant risk factor for Parkinson's disease. As we age, the likelihood of developing this neurodegenerative disorder increases. The risk increases as we get older, making it crucial to understand the underlying mechanisms. This is because aging affects the brain, making it more vulnerable to damage. The structural and functional changes in the brain due to aging can set the stage for Parkinson's. Understanding how aging contributes to Parkinson's is essential. It helps in identifying potential intervention points. It can guide research and treatment strategies, leading to better management of the disease. As we age, our brain cells naturally decline. This decline is gradual but inevitable. However, certain factors can accelerate it, making the brain more susceptible to neurodegenerative diseases. These factors include oxidative stress, inflammation, and mitochondrial dysfunction. Each of these can significantly impact brain health. These processes can damage brain cells and increase the risk of Parkinson's. The cumulative effect of these factors can be devastating. The aging brain is also less efficient at clearing toxins. This inefficiency can exacerbate the problem. This can lead to the accumulation of harmful substances in the brain, further compromising brain function. These substances can further damage brain cells and contribute to Parkinson's development. The cycle of damage and accumulation is a critical area of study. While aging is inevitable, there are ways to promote brain health. Proactive measures can make a significant difference. These include maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which encompasses a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Engaging in mental and physical exercise and getting enough sleep are also crucial. These activities stimulate brain function and resilience. These habits can help protect the brain from age-related damage, offering a buffer against the onset of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's. Section 6. Dopamine and the Parkinson's brain. Dopamine is a chemical messenger in the brain. It plays a crucial role in movement control. It transmits signals between brain cells. These signals initiate and regulate voluntary movements. In Parkinson's, the brain cells that produce dopamine are damaged. This leads to a dopamine deficiency. The substantia nigra is a brain region affected by Parkinson's. It is responsible for dopamine production. As Parkinson's progresses, the substantia nigra loses dopamine-producing cells. This loss disrupts the delicate balance of brain chemicals. The dopamine deficiency causes the motor symptoms of Parkinson's. These symptoms include tremors, stiffness, slowness of movement, and balance problems. The severity of these symptoms correlates with the extent of dopamine loss. Understanding the role of dopamine is crucial for treating Parkinson's. Current treatments aim to increase dopamine levels in the brain. These treatments help manage symptoms, however, they do not stop the progression of the disease. Section 7. Lewy bodies and alpha-synuclein. Lewy bodies are abnormal protein clumps. They are found in the brains of people with Parkinson's. These clumps are a hallmark of the disease. They are found inside brain cells. Their presence is a key indicator of Parkinson's. Alpha-synuclein is a protein found within Lewy bodies. It is believed to play a central role in the development of Parkinson's. In healthy brains, alpha-synuclein helps with cell signaling. However, in Parkinson's, it misfolds and forms clumps. These clumps disrupt normal cell function. They can lead to cell death. The accumulation of Lewy bodies and alpha-synuclein is a gradual process. It coincides with the progression of Parkinson's symptoms. Research is ongoing to understand the formation and role of Lewy bodies. Scientists are investigating ways to prevent their formation. They are also exploring methods to clear existing clumps. These efforts could lead to new treatments for Parkinson's. Section 8. Promising treatments on the horizon. While there is no cure for Parkinson's, ongoing research offers a beacon of hope for millions affected by this debilitating disease. Scientists around the world are tirelessly developing new treatments. These innovative treatments aim not just to manage symptoms, but to slow down or even halt the disease's progression. This represents a significant shift from the current therapies available today. Presently, most treatments focus primarily on managing symptoms rather than addressing the root cause. GLP-1R agonists are a class of drugs that are showing considerable promise in recent studies. Initially developed for the treatment of type 2 diabetes, these drugs have found a new potential application. Research has shown that they can also protect brain cells from degeneration. Remarkably, they may even promote the growth of new dopamine-producing cells, which are crucial for motor function. Ambroxol is another drug currently under investigation for its potential benefits. Although it is currently used as a cough medicine, its potential extends far beyond that. Studies have shown that Ambroxol can improve lysosomal function within cells. Lysosomes are essential cellular structures responsible for clearing waste products and maintaining cellular health. Enhancing their function could help in the removal of toxic proteins that accumulate in the brain. These are just a few examples of the promising research currently underway. Scientists are exploring a variety of avenues to combat Parkinson's disease. These include cutting-edge approaches like gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and immunotherapy. The ultimate goal remains clear: to find a definitive cure for Parkinson's and improve the quality of life for those affected. Section 9. Hope for the future of Parkinson's research. Parkinson's disease is a complex disorder. It affects millions worldwide, causing a significant impact on the quality of life for those diagnosed and their families. However, there is reason for hope. Advances in research are providing new insights and potential breakthroughs. Research is advancing at an unprecedented pace, with new discoveries being made regularly. Scientists are making significant strides in understanding the disease, identifying key mechanisms and potential targets for treatment. The future of Parkinson's research is promising, filled with potential and optimism. With continued funding and collaboration, scientists are optimistic about finding a cure. Collaborative efforts are crucial in accelerating progress. The goal is not only to manage symptoms effectively, it is to stop and even reverse the progression of the disease, offering hope for a better future. This hope is fueled by several factors, including the dedication of researchers and the support of the community. Firstly, there is a greater understanding of the genetic and environmental factors involved in Parkinson's, which is crucial for developing targeted therapies. Secondly, new technologies are emerging that allow for more precise diagnosis and treatment, improving patient outcomes. Lastly, there is a growing awareness and support for Parkinson's research, which is essential for driving progress. The journey to finding a cure for Parkinson's is ongoing, requiring persistence and dedication. However, with each passing day, we are getting closer to that goal, thanks to the relentless efforts of the scientific community. The hope is that one day, Parkinson's will no longer be a debilitating disease, but a condition that can be effectively treated or even cured.